Salamo and welcome to our next lesson. Today we're going to learn about some useful questions to ask. When you are in Madagascar, you may find them useful. If you want to ask about what is this, so what is in? It is written Inona. No one says that. In. And if you say, what is this? Innakaiti, inti, innakaiti, inti, innakaiti. So you can say those inti, innakaiti. What is this? They are innakaiti is a bit more colloquial. Innakaiti or inti, both are right. That's what. And if you say where, you want to ask where, you can say Aiza. Aiza and Firy. Where is the toilet? Always a very good, useful question. Aiza and Firy. Where is the toilet? Or Aiza kain Firy. So the kai is sort of adds, makes it a bit more, even more authentic. Aiza and Firy. Aiza kain Firy. Azafady. Azafady is please. Aiza kain Firy azafady. Innakaiti azafady. Aiza kain Firy azafady. Or you're asking, where is the food? Aiza sakafo azafady. Aiza sakafo azafady. Aiza sakafo azafady. So Aiza is where. Where? Aiza. When is Rahoviana. Rahoviana, if it's like in the future, something is coming in the immediate or further future, you say Rahoviana. When will we go? Tsika mandeha. Tsika mandeha. Tsika mandeha. Tsika mandeha. When will we be going? If it is in the past, Oviana. When? As in, if you said, oh, but I've already cleaned the dishes, you say, when? Oviana. The next useful word is why. Someone asked you to do something, or I don't know, here in a conversation, why? Fawon. Or you can say maninona. Fawon or maninona. If you are out in the market and you want to ask how much things are, you can say Ohatrinona. How much? Otinti. How much is this? T is this. Otinti. And then you'll get to practice your money. How often? Im-piry. How often? Im-piry. And how many? Firy. How many of you are there? Nareo. Firy. Hope this is helpful. See you next time.